Hi, Dutch Revenboer, the Dream Home team at Flatiron Realty Group here with you today with the Oklahoma City metro area real estate update. Recently, I worked with some buyers that simply couldn't find the home that they wanted. Some were close, but no cigar. Outdated kitchens and baths, worn out flooring, aging roofs, single pane windows, etc. Some of these homes were really a steal, but my buyers didn't have $25,000 sitting around to do a remodel. So I reached into my bag of tricks and offered them a solution that really worked well for them. And today I wanted to take a few minutes to see if this might work for you as well. A lot of realtors and lenders won't tell you about this program I'm going to tell you about, simply because they don't know about it, or it's too confusing, or just simply too much work. Now, my buyers wanted a specific style of home, but everything we looked at was just not quite right. So what did we do? Well, we found a home that they liked that had the right bones and the layout that they wanted at a great price. However, the home needed a lot of work to make it livable and brought up to their standards and what they really truly wanted without sacrificing everything. Now, I work with a local lender that specializes in what's called a rehab loan. Let me explain. The product is called an FHA 203K loan. This enables home buyers to finance both the purchase of the house and the cost of rehabilitation in a single mortgage. Here's how it works. First, we find a property at a good price that has pricing room for the upgrades, and we make the offer. For example, in this case, it was a bank-owned foreclosure property, which are often great deals. However, the banks that are selling these properties as is, and they're not willing to do any repairs, and they won't let you make repairs prior to closing. Once the offer is accepted, the buyer begins getting the price quotes and proposals from contractors. Next, the lender orders an appraisal to determine the value of the property, both before the repairs are done and what it should be worth after the upgrades are done. This actually protects you, as the lender wants to make sure you are not over-upgrading and will have some equity. Once the loan and the scope of work are approved, we go to closing. The purchase price is funded, and the contractors receive funds for the materials so they can get started. Once all the repairs are completed and after the final inspections, the contractors are paid in full. This also protects you from any unfinished work. Then you move into your newly renovated home, many times with instant equity. You may even be able to move in while some of the work is still being completed, assuming the home is livable during that construction. Now, there's two types of loans available under this program, and which to use will depend on the amount and type of improvements the property needs. The first is called a 203K Streamlined, and its limitations are that the rehab cannot exceed $35,000. Most repairs and upgrades are available with the exception of structural issues like moving walls or foundation repairs, and cannot include luxury items like landscaping, swimming pools, tennis courts, and the like. This is a great option if you want to replace flooring, upgrade windows, do a bath and kitchen upgrades. The second version is the 203K Regular, which offers more options like a higher repair cap and structural and luxury items, but it is more complicated and involved process. This is an option if you're wanting structural or major repairs or completely updating the home. Now, as you might guess, there are some rules and time frames, but as your realtor, I only work with a lender that makes sure all the T's are dotted and all the I's are crossed to ensure a smooth and successful transaction. We can get into the details later. I just wanted to introduce you to this amazing option that might help you find and purchase that perfect home, even though it's not currently in perfect condition. You don't have to give up on what you want in a home. We just need to get creative and put together a great creative team to assist you. If you'd like to learn more about the HUD 203K and other rehab programs, I'm Dutch Revenboer, and I'm a realtor and certified home buying advisor. My one and only goal is to help you find and purchase the right home at the right price with the right mortgage. Shoot me a text or give me a call at 405-590-6563 or visit my website at www.dreamhomesokc.com. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you found it useful. I appreciate any feedback. Again, thanks and have a magnificent day.